I give the floor to Asian Center for Human Rights.
Thank you, Madam Vice President. We would like to highlight accept racial discrimination and racial violence against indigenous Jumo peoples in the Chittagong Hill Tracts of Bangladesh. 3 days back, on 20th September, Bangladesh Army personnel and the illegal settlers killed at least 3 indigenous peoples, injured dozens others, and thereafter burned the houses of the indigenous peoples at a village called Guimara after they started the protest against gang rape of an indigenous girl on 20th September. As of now, as reported this morning, family members of those killed are scared to file complaints against the Bangladesh Army and the illegal settlers. Last year, on 19th and 20th September, Bangladesh Army personnel once again had killed 4 indigenous persons, injured 75 others when they shot indiscriminately. The government of Bangladesh had set up an one-man inquiry commission, but the report of that commission has not been made public as on date, just to provide impunity. Not a single person from the indigenous communities and minorities was included in the Constitutional Reforms Commission. The report of the Constitutional Reforms Commission also made no reference to indigenous peoples, thereby denying their existence in law. On 12th January this year, National Curriculum Board of Bangladesh removed the graffiti which contained the word Adivasi, which means indigenous peoples. We would like the Council to take note of these acts of racial discrimination in Bangladesh. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. I give the floor to